bulk and the name of the plants which produce alkaloid. With alkaloid plants, example neem. This alkaloid produces neem bean, and this is used for the antiseptic sediment. These are characteristics of the plants which produce the alkaloids. And stepping study here the plants which is Cataware, Rauwolfia, Coffea arabica, and tobacco plants. These are which produce the alkaloids. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
I am Anusha of class 10 here with the topic pancreas. Pancreas is present above the liver. Pancreas helps us in the digestion of food. It makes the food. It helps the food of small particles into most tiny particles, and it releases pancreatic juice, which is most helpful in the digestion, and it also contains clusters. It also contains clusters of cells. It is called islets. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
I'm talking about the cell division. Cell divides the form of the cell divides form to two cells and form one cell. The divides the baby in the 9 months, and convert into an adult in 20 years. The cell control the division of the cell, so that this end is denotes this innovative with reproduction. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
Good morning. I am Vijay of class 10 here to explain about peristaltic movement in bolus. First, I like to say about oesophagus and bolus. Oesophagus is nothing but connect throat to stomach is called as oesophagus. Bolus, food that has been chewed and mixed in our mouth with saliva, and also chewing helps us to reduce food particles to a size to readily to be swallowed, and also bolus goes down to the stomach and it becomes liquid. Here bolus is called as chyme. Peristaltic movement in bolus. There is a primary peristaltic wave which occurs when the bolus enters the esophagus from this to the stomach. And thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Pranay. I am studying in class 10. I am here to explain about subshells. Subshells are present in atom, and they are present between the two orbitals. They are called subshells or orbitals. The subshells also consist of electrons. The subshells cannot contain protons or neutrons because that is negatively charged. And the shells are considered as SPDF and many more. The element number is 1, 2, 3, 4. The protons or neutrons consist in only nucleus. They cannot come into the orbitals or subshells. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
My name is Sairasma. I am studying class 10. Here I will to explain about the tissues. Now let us know what are the functions of tissues. Tissues are the group of cells which are connected to each other, and let us know what are their functions. There are 4 different main types of tissues present in our body. The first is epithelial tissue. The second is connective tissue, muscular tissue, and the nervous tissue. Now let us know what is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is found on the layer of our skin, which protects the body organs from it protects our body organs. Now let us know what is the function of connective tissue. Connective tissue supports and protects our body organs. It also gives us the nutrients. Now let us know about the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue helps our body in the movements, and the last is nerve tissue. Nerve tissue works under the communication. Thank you.
Good morning everyone present here. My name is Lokesh. I am studying in the 10th standard. I am here to explain about the heart. Heart is the most important and the vital organ in many animals as well as human beings. As is a muscular organ, contains four chambers which are separated by septum. Here the top two are atriums and the bottom two are ventricles which are separated as left atrium and the right atrium and the left ventricle and the right ventricle. The body, the heart transports blood to all parts of the body with the help of arteries through blood vessels, and the deoxygenated blood from the body is entered to heart through veins. Here the deoxygenated blood which is collected from the body is stored in arteries and moves through arteries through valves. Here the left valve is called the tricuspid valve and the right one is called the bicuspid valve. And thank you for this opportunity given to me to explain about heart.
My name is M. Satvika. I am studying in 10th standard. My topic is about formation of urine. Formation of urine involves 4 stages. Glomerulus filtration. The blood goes to the kidney through renal artery and then goes to the glomerulus. Then the glomerulus make the blood purify and get it filtered. Then tubular reabsorption. The purified blood which is filtrated will absorb amino acid and potassium, sodium and 75% of water. Then tubular secretion. The waste material which are of no use will be secreted like urea, uric acid, salt ions like potassium, hydrogen, etc. And when the urine is formed, it passes through the collection tubules. When the urine is formed, it passes through the collection tubules. Then the urine which has excess of water will be then the vasopressin hormones vasopressin hormones will not be released. The water which is balanced in urine is called concentrated urine. Thank you for giving this opportunity.